What's the meaning of crest? Crest. Crest.
Crest. Crest. The word crest can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it's used. One of its most common meanings is the highest point of a shape or object, like the crest of a wave. It can also refer to a decorative emblem at the top of something, such as the crest on a coat of arms. Additionally, in biology, the crest may refer to a cone-like structure on an animal's head, like the crest on a rooster. Overall, crest typically describes a peak or elevated feature on an object, whether that be physical or symbolic.